To add a new board, let's click the plus icon, and under board, we have two options, new board and start with template. We're going to start blank with a new board, but if I select start with template just to take a peek, you can see all of the options here. We have templates for basically anything that you can think of, and there's no harm in exploring these, modifying them, and then archiving them if they don't quite fit your needs while you experiment. But let's start from scratch. That way you know how to make changes even in the event that you use a template later. I'll close out of the template center up here. Then I'll go back to add, board, new board, and here we have a simpler board setup window. We might end up with several boards for the work we do here at Medix Media, but the biggest work stream is making tutorials. So I'll call this board Tutorials. Tailor My Board and Quick Start are both going to start you with very similar boards. Let's choose Quick Start because I'll show you how to add columns and views later. And we could make this board private to select team members or shareable with external guests, but I'll keep my privacy set to main. That way, when I invite team members later on, they'll have immediate access. Now click Create Board. Quick Start will include these three default columns, person, status, and date, and we can see that we have 3 items created for us to start. Task 1, 2, and 3. In the left-hand pane, I'll drag this tutorials board to the very top.